Hello guys, what is going on? Techroomuk here. So for today's video we have yet another keyboard. We have the FUN60 from Moonsgeek. This is a triple mode keyboard, so it can be used with Bluetooth, wired and wireless. It has RGB. It's black, it's 60% layout, so what that means is missing some keys, but obviously you got the most important keys for the gamer. Basically this is intended towards gaming. It's a mechanical keyboard, which means you can hot swap the switches and the keycaps, and obviously it uses mechanical switches. It's up to you if you want clicky ones, linear ones, it's entirely up to you. This is how it looks in the back. Nothing special, the box is quite simple. It's got a nice weight to it. The box has a really nice weight to it. We're gonna have a look at what's inside in a sec. So package contents right here. So we got the keyboard, the manual, cable, keycaps, or like the USB dongle, and we have a keycap puller. You will need a keycap puller because the switch that switches between wired, wireless and Bluetooth mode, it's under the caps lock, so you gotta pull out the caps lock with the included keycap puller and switch it accordingly to whatever you want to use it. So that being said, let's go ahead and open the box and I'm gonna show you guys what you get inside. Alright, so after opening the box, this is pretty much what you get. So we got a USB Type A to USB Type C cable. You can use it for charging, or you can use it to use the keyboard in wire mode. It's got a nice length to it, so I'm pretty sure you won't have a problem. It depends how far your PC is from your actual desk. We have an instruction manual. We have a keycap puller right here. I like the color scheme. We have a switch puller, which is made out of metal, and I never seen one like this before, so it's really interesting, especially that is matching the color with the keycap puller. We have the 2.4 gigahertz wireless USB receiver and transmitter. Basically this is to use in wireless mode. Basically it's mostly for gaming. If you want to use the keyboard just for typing, I suggest use the Bluetooth mode, it works as well. And we have the keyboard itself, which is made out of aluminum. It's got an aluminum casing, FUN60. It's got some rubber pads on the back, so this keyboard won't slip anywhere. As you can see, you can hardly move it. It's got a really nice weight to it actually. I like the weight of it and I like the feel of it. As you can see, it has no printing on the keycaps on the top, but it has the printing on the side right here. So you can see all the keys. It has some RGB modes. You can switch between RGB modes. Under this keycap, under the caps, I told you there is a switch, so you can switch between wired, wireless and Bluetooth mode. It depends how you want to use it. Right now it is on wireless mode. I already set that up. I just love the look of the keyboard. It looks really cool, especially with the letters printed on the side of the keycaps right here. You don't see that every day. Obviously you can put your own keycaps, you can buy keycaps and switches, you can customize the keyboard however you want. It also sounds really nice. It's got that ASMR talky feeling to it. So yeah, that's it. Pretty much that's what you get inside the box. I am going to go ahead right now and set it up to my PC so you guys can get a better idea on how it will look on your setup. I'm gonna do that wirelessly, so I'm gonna connect this to my PC and it should work by itself. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Alright, so this is how the keyboard looks like on a setup. It's connected to my PC right there. I turned some of the lights off so you guys can see the RGB better. The keyboard looks and feels amazing, from the weight to how the keyboard looks, and the sound. I showed you the sound before. It looks amazing. Maybe you guys can hear it. I'm not sure how close the camera is to the keyboard, but I absolutely love the sound of it. Again, 60% layout is made for gamers. When I game myself, I use 60%. It's hard for me to get back to full-size keyboards. The keys react within a split second, as you can see. I think it has 1000 hertz of pulling rate. If you guys want to buy this keyboard, I am going to have a link down below in the video description. I will definitely recommend it. It looks amazing, it sounds amazing, and it's made for gamers, and it's not really expensive. So if you guys want to buy it, check the video description down below. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.